Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Majani. Today I'm not going to share anything about English, math, or teaching your kids. Today I just want to share a place which I visited recently. Like that place is called Wingman, located in Mongkok. If you are interested in my experience, keep watching. Remember, subscribe Miss Yan channel. This place was called Wingman, located in Mongkok. Last time I had the dinner gathering with my friends. He's from Australia. So now it is just kind of like difficult for us to find a place of where to chill. And then I said, what about we visit a wing place? First of all, I really like wings. When I was in the United States, I liked the Hooters. The buffalo wings were awesome. However, back to Hong Kong, I tried different places already, and it's kind of disappointed. The only place which I believe is the best one is the Cheesecake Factory located in Kim Sha Tsui. But as you guys know, Cheesecake Factory is sometimes it's very hard to get a place in. It's very hard to get a seat in Cheesecake Factory. First of all, they don't accept any reservations, meaning you have to go to walk in. Like I can only get the seats if I walk into the restaurant and wait outside. Like the waiting time is like 45 minutes or more. If you visit them on Friday, Saturday, or even Sundays, the waiting time will be much longer. And then my friend was like, I don't want to wait. So I asked any good wing place to go, and he chose Wingman. Okay, here's the snapshot that I took that day.
There are several branches for Wingman. The one that I went last time was the one located in Mongkok. If you take the MT out, you can just get off in Mongkok, exit E2. The environment here is pretty casual. And during the peak hours, they will limit our serving time to be 1 hour and 30 minutes. So after that time, they will kick us out. Pay attention to it. As you can see the menu here, they serve different styles of chicken wings. Other than the chicken wings, they have the drinks. Finally, we ordered the 2 buffet one, and the buffet one is all you can eat, as much as you can eat. This is the first plate that we ordered. As you can see, we have the cheddar cheese, the Singaporean styles, the pepper, the black pepper one, etc., etc.
If you are a big fan of wings, I will suggest you guys to go there. It was quite good. But I think the bad thing was only you can only sit there for 1 hour and 30 minutes. After that, they're going to kick you out. You have to find a place to chill again if you want to spend more time outside. Alright, today the sharing is up to here. If you guys have any recommendation for the restaurants, leave me a comment, okay? I will visit them and take a video for you guys again. I'll just see you next time. Bye.